We got Chuck Peterson, Suncoast Roofing. A couple of weeks ago, he mentioned there was a bill up for debate in the Florida State House.
Correct.
Passed the House, went to the State
passed
Senate.
The Senate.
Passed the Senate.
Went to the House. It didn't pass the first part of last week, and then they made some small revisions, I understand, and it passed in an emergency session Friday. And then the Senate voted to accept the House's version either Friday night or Saturday. So it's off to the governor to sign. But it's that bill we were talking about where, in theory, it's supposed to keep your insurance premiums from rising because there were so many complaints about insurance costs going up. But what it does is it reduces your coverage dramatically. So if you have a shingle house and a storm comes once it's passed, you'll be able to recoup 25% of your roof less your deductible.
After 10 years?
After 10 years.